Chef for GHC Perth 2015.
Hi, I'm Rachel and I'll be your head gardener for GHC in Perth 2015.
In the lead up to the conference, I'm going to be your Jamie Oliver, your Don Burke and your Nigella Lawson all rolled into one.
I'll show you some ways that you can grow your own food at home, even if you have very limited space.
We'll get our hands dirty in the garden, growing some easy to maintain veg, and we'll make ethical, sustainable choices together at the supermarket.
So join me, Rachel, your head gardener for GHC Perth 2015.
So join me, Lachlan Nassau, as we embark on a culinary journey inspired by cultures